Good morning. Today, though I am going to discuss about a tough subject, but as a lawyer, you must understand this subject. You would have been taught this subject when Constitution was taught. Constitution Part Two is the subject nowadays, wherein the list of the subjects upon which normally the the legislations were passed. That is Schedule 7, Union List, State List, and Concurrent List. For that, what all are the procedures? For concurrent list, central government as well as state government may pass the legislation. But if the state passes any legislation, the concurrent list, it should be assent by the President of India. See, to understand this subject, I have a case if you want to understand. See, not only as a lawyer, uh, the legislations being passed by the parliament or the state assemblies is directly may cause impact on us. Therefore, we are concerned about that. As an ordinary citizen, one must know what all are the powers of this legislation to pass resolutions and how to challenge that if that is taxed upon us excessively or uh, curtailing our fundamental rights guaranteed under Part 3 of the Constitution of India. I do not want to take much time of the judgment except citing this because there is a full-bench judgment. AIR 2021 Supreme Court 4905 R.F. Nariman, K.M. Joseph and B.R. Gawai. When an act was passed for multi Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act. So earlier the cooperative society is the subject of the state alone, and they have passed about multi-state cooperative societies act. So discussing about the importance of the cooperative societies, the development of country, economical upstandard, all those things. But here, doctrine of severability was discussed because they have only declared the portions, the act which passes to control the cooperative societies. In the state, because the union government has got right to pass legislation in respect of union territory. So far union territories are concerned, the act is valid, and so far states are concerned, the act is not valid. That is doctrine of severability. You go through the entire judgment, but K.M. Joseph was dissenting with the judgment, and a lot of paragraphs are there. I can't explain all those things unless and until you read and understand because the subject is vast. It will take hours to understand how to challenge this. Like Tamil Nadu government passed prohibiting the usage of tobacco, but that is not the subject of, that was the subject of concurrent list. Therefore, without assent of the president, that act was set aside. I understand is that I am correct or not. I do not could not recollect it at the moment. But that act was set aside because the state government has got no competency to pass the legislation. Kindly go through this. Only I will take down this judgment. This is where they have discussed about doctrine of severability. So go through this judgment and try to understand what all are the subjects they have reproduced the subjects wherein union government can pass legislation and where state government can pass legislation. Best